Hi everybody. So, have a new wig. It is my first BelleTress wig. It's called Nitro, and it is in Nutella Buttercream. And I have to say, this is probably the most comfortable wig that I've put on. This is my 6th wig that I own. I've been on this journey for about a year now, this wig journey. It's my 6th wig and first BelleTress. The reason why I got a BelleTress was because everyone said it was the most comfortable, especially if your head tends to be on the larger size. I'm 22 and a few whatevers, big head. And so they said it had, they also said it had the least density. So just to let you know, if this is the first review that you're watching of mine, there's really, this is the first review of mine that you're watching. There's just a few things you need to know for me. My reviews are not going to be typical. I'm not going to show you the inside of the cap because, quite honestly, all I want to know is it comfortable? Will it fit my head? Does it look realistic? And I don't need to see the inside of the cap if I know those things. I don't care about the inside of the cap, quite honestly. Tommy, come here. It's my cat, Tommy. Tommy, come here, Tommy. So, everyone said BelleTress was the lowest in density, most realistic, the most comfortable. So I said, let me give it a try. Went on to the Black Friday sale on Wig Studio 1 and purchased this. So I have to say it is also extremely soft. Like the fibers feel like when I run my hands through the fibers, it feels like real hair to me. It is heat friendly, so I am noticing some of the issues. This is the 3rd time I've been wearing this. I am noticing what a lot of people talk about, and that is, you know, that you need to baby it more. And but boy, the trade-off. It feels, look, it looks real too. Doesn't that look real? And you know, Tommy, I'm doing a review here. Had to feed the cat. All right, so let me show you this lace front. You know, I'm still learning how to properly fit things on my head, but so here's the lace cap. Here's the lace front. Is it the best lace front? It looks pretty realistic to me. I love the part. The part to me is, and you know, I'm still fiddling with this. I haven't done really, I haven't combed it through because I actually don't want to comb it through. I want the style, the original style, to stay as original as it came. If I just wanted everything brushed out and long or brushed out in mid-length, then why get other styles? You know, this is the style I want. So I want to keep it as long as possible. So I just, I'm going to let it fall out naturally through wearing. So I have not done a lot with the part, but I just got that zigzag look out that it comes in. And look how realistic you know, I do have to fiddle with this part. Look how good that looks. Let's see. I don't have a comb with me, but let's see. So this is BelleTress Nitro in Nutella Buttercream. Very low density, very comfortable. Feels like hair. Honestly, unless you know wigs, no one's gonna know this is a wig. If you're in the store, no one's gonna know this is a wig. I have been on movie sets and wearing wigs. Just so you know, I've worn my Jean Reno. I've worn Estetica twice. Estetica Blaze, Estetica's Avalon. I've worn Jean Reno Miranda on set, and no one knew it was a wig. On set, on camera. No one's going to know this is a wig either. I just, you know, as an older woman who's experiencing hair loss due to a number of issues, the silver lining to that struggle, because I had beautiful hair. It's hard to lose that. But the silver lining, you have to look at the good of things. If you're always looking at the bad, if you're always looking for what's wrong in a situation, you're going to find what's wrong, and you're just going to experience life through that negative lens. You have to see the good in something that life is handing you. And for me in this, the good is that I get to wear beautiful wigs in styles that I could never do on my own, then and now, whether I had huge lioness mane of hair, which I had. I just didn't have the skill. I just wasn't one of those women, one of those girls that was skilled at styling their hair. I was always a wash and go girl and some hot rollers. But I could never blow out my hair. So the silver lining to me, the good in this, is that I get to wear styles. I get to put on within a few minutes a beautiful style like this. And in colors, a range of colors, whatever I feel like being that day. That's fun. So look at the positive, and let me know if you have Nitro, if you want to experience Nitro or BelleTress, or what other wigs that feel great on you and make you feel like you're wearing real hair. So again, very happy with this. I look forward to experiencing more of the BelleTress line, because if they are as comfortable and beautiful as Nitro, then I'm sure I'll be wearing more in the future. Have a great day.